welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, I'm in like a neighborhood. Anyway, I'm at my niece's house. My brother's about to give her the car right now. So let's see how this surprise goes, man. So she thinks that she's going to the doctor right now. So I'm gonna just stand back here where I can get everything. So that's the car right there. There goes Neil. Hi. And so we're gonna just wait for her to come on out right now. It's a waiting game. There you go.
Here we go, here we go.
Here we go, guys. She's like, yo, who? Yeah, no. She hugged her uncle first, guys. Guys, she looked at you and said, "Daddy, you crazy."
Oh my God.
She's like, "Wait, who's that?"
I thought we were leaving. Wait, you guys just gonna
You're not
stand
going.
out here?
You're not going anywhere. It's a setup.
That's mommy.
Oh,
So say hi.
hi. Congrats.
We got everyone out here. We got the whole family coming out now.
Thank you.
This is your car. What's up, Kyle?
Oh,
Daddy. Well, congratulations.
This is so cool, man.
Wait.
This is like, oh, there you go. Ah.
I just realized we're not going anywhere.
Yo, this is so cool.
Wait, so you all knew?
Neil, unlock it. Neil, unlock. Yo, Neil. Hey, Neil. Neil, unlock it. Unlock it. This is cool, man. There you go, Nakia. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
2020. You did good, man. You deserve this.
Yeah.
You might have to get it vacuumed out with all that confetti and stuff, though.
New car smell.
How long have you been out here?
About 10 minutes.
10 minutes? I've been getting ready for like an hour.
Yeah, boy.
That's all on you.
You going for a ride, Nakia?
You damn right she gonna go for a ride.
There's so many cameras. Congratulations,
Hey, shout out to my brother Neil, man.
Hey,
That's
man,
what
hard work pays off, man.
That's it, man.
She works hard, she deserves it.
Everything happen.
Hey, this is my little boy Kyle. Well, not
Yep.
so little no more, man.
There you go, right there, man. Father and son,
Say what's
man.
up
This
to
is
you
great.
too, man.
What's up?
What's going on? What's up, Kyle? How you doing?
I'm good. Y'all check out my YouTube
Hey,
channel.
I know
as well.
your leg is good now.
Yeah.
That's good, man. This guy was out of commission for a while,
Yeah, he broke it.
but that's good, man. Glad to see you walking properly again, man.
Y'all come check out my YouTube channel too.
Hey, man, shout it out right now.
Yeah. Blade.
Blade. All right.
I'll give you the link.
All right, listen. That link is gonna be in the description below for my nephew's YouTube channel. It's called Blade. And what are you doing on the channel? Let him know.
Gaming, bro.
Gaming. All right. So if you're in the gaming,
I got that fresh new laptop, boys. You know it's about to go down.
all right, y'all heard that, man. So if y'all into gaming, y'all already know, man. Hit them up. Show them some support, man. Family, you know what I'm saying? That's my family. So y'all gotta show support.
15 years old, 14 with a YouTube.
That's
14 years old with a
that's,
YouTube,
yo, that's
man.
where you want to start. Hey, you want to be like me, starting late, like, you know.
I started early when I still got the chance.
This is so cool, man.
Hey, I wouldn't take the baby though, man. The boy.
Yeah.
Now we gotta keep. You staying here?
All right, so she's gonna go for her first ride, and
I got stuff to do.
so once she gets back from her first ride, we're gonna see exactly what she thinks about the car and how she feels about it, man. So stay tuned for that. There she goes, guys. There she goes, her first drive.
Listen, she was driving that good beast. She could drive that with her eyes closed. Oh.
You love that,
When she come out,
What you think?
Hey, you gotta stay right there.
Take a picture right there. Stop.
I gotta get that picture.
You're doing the drive-by like.
I know. Just creeping by like, yo, how I look?
Go ahead, follow me.
Yeah, she had the how I look
All right.
look.
That's what's up, man. How does it drive?
It's really nice, actually.
Yeah?
I was surprised.
It's really fast too, but don't be stepping on it though.
Yeah, don't be stepping on it. For real, don't be stepping
Tell
on it.
Jarrell, tell Jarrell he don't want no smoke. You know what I'm saying?
She getting the lectures, y'all. She getting the lectures.
Nope, don't be stepping
You like
on
the
it.
interior and stuff? Oh, you're gonna love this, man. The sound system.
Oh, it's
You
like
still
boom.
recording?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look here, I bought a second camera. I mean, a second battery in that camera.
Turn that
You know
up. Hold on. Wait. Listen to that bass line.
what I'm saying? Good though. You guys probably can't hear it, but yo, the system in this car is extremely good. I cut that. Alright guys, so you guys seen it. That says she was surprised. Her happiness is at a 10.
10.
So that's a good thing, right? Yeah, of course.
The car's a 10.
Yeah, the car's a 10, her happiness is a 10. We can't go wrong with that, man. He nailed it, alright? So shout out to my brother Neil, like I said, man.
Good job.
Yeah. Shout out to my nephew Kyle. Make sure you guys subscribe to his channel, like I said. Blade. Alright, I'm gonna put that link in the description below.
And
But
also,
anyway.
stay tuned. We got some upgrades coming to my charger.
Oh, we got that coming
Y'all want to
tomorrow.
Yeah, that's for the
Tomorrow.
next video.
I'm doing that video tomorrow, matter of fact. We're doing some upgrades to his charger. So you'll probably be seeing that video maybe like Wednesday or Thursday or somewhere down there. I don't know. One of them days. When I get a chance to edit that. I already told you guys about editing. It takes a while. So we're going to get it done though. But anyway, you guys probably hearing a bunch of wind. Just want to close this video out. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. And from me, Neil, and Kyle, we're going to catch you guys in the next one. Peace.